Hey folks, it's Mark with Fireman Outdoors. Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm at Long Beach, Washington on the peninsula, and we're razor clam digging. So come along and I'll show you how we do it. First we want to stomp and then look for a dimple. Now I just saw there's a slight dimple. It's very kind of hard to see right there. There is a clam in there. So I take this clam gun and mount it over the dimple, tilt it slightly towards the ocean, and work it down. There's another dimple just formed right there. I'm gonna suck it up. Oh, there's my clam right there. Got him, nice one. And there was another dimple right there, so I'm gonna see if I can find another one. Come with me. Oh, there's one, dimple right there. Oh. And that one got away. Maybe. Nope, got him. Right there, that was a little one, but we keep them all. Clam chowder this winter, folks. All right, Eli just spotted a divot, and now he's gonna go, he's gonna dig. He's after it. Nice. Nice one.
Simple as that.
Hey Eli, what are you doing?
Digging for a clam.
Yeah? Oh, did you get one?
Yep.
Let's see what he does. Oh, that's a pretty nice one. All right, so here in Washington, our limit is 15 apiece, and in the course of a half hour, we limit it out.
That's good stuff right there.
Folks, hey, you can't take back a clam, and you never want to wish you could, so follow the 4 basic clamming rules. Shoot straight with your clam gun. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Well, let's see how these clams work, how they dig. Sitting on the beach, watching a clam, laying in the sand. Touch his neck, Eli. A little tickle. Tickle, tickle. Come on, play. Here, go hide. Oh, there goes his digger. Look at his digger working. So he's feeling around with his digger. Oh, now he's doing it. So he's, the one end they got the neck, and the other side they got the digger. So this guy's going to suck himself back down into the sand. And once he gets immersed, they work kind of like a jet, like a pump. He's going to get water and sand and just pump it through like a jet. He's making himself into a little pump, sucking on one side and blowing out on top of him to dig further down. There. Look at him. So he's making him a little void there with his digger so he can suck himself down into the sand. He's pumping out sand and water, creating a void, working that little digger foot down below him to suck himself back down into the sand where he's safe. Well, obviously they don't have any eyes, he can't see. He doesn't know for sure if he's down there or not. Tickle him, Eli. Whoa. We're going to watch him for a little bit. He's taking a rest. Oh, here he goes. Back at it. Back to work. You can see his foot working. It's going to pump here in a little bit. Made a void. Going for the final stretch. Or not. He's taking a break. It's kind of a slacker clam. Watch pot never boils, and a watch clam never digs.
2.5 minutes of these clams moved 4 inches.
Hey, being a wildlife photographer is tough business. As soon as I hit the stop button, he's going to make the final pull. I know it.
Thoroughly uninterested in moving.
Tickle him again. Oh, there you go. Good job. One more tickle. Oh. And she's gone.